Hello, my sewing friends. I have two quick things to talk to you about regarding the March Madness Maxi Challenge happening over on Instagram. I'm hosting that with my two friends, Carmen and Sharon. And we had a couple of questions that came up, and I wanted to address both of those. The first one is our giveaway international? And the short answer is yes, it is. The long answer is that we really wanted to make it international. So what we're going to do is give a different prize to you if you win. If you're one of the random people, the people that win from the random drawing on Instagram, we're going to give you something different than what we are giving anybody who lives in the U.S. So what that will be is a gift certificate to any place where your vintage pattern can be found. We'll talk about that and work out the details with you if indeed you're a winner and you don't live here in the U.S. Otherwise, if you do live in the U.S., you will receive a package of some vintage patterns that I have here from when Carmen and I were able to find some on Facebook Marketplace. They were all free, and so I'm going to pull out the best of the bunch and send them to you if you are a winner here in the U.S. But again, if you're not and you're international, totally fine. We will work that out with a gift certificate. So yes, it's international. The other thing was that our challenge is overlapping with another challenge, and that would be the Make a Maxi for Mother's Day challenge. And that's being hosted by T from Crumpets Tea and Sewing and Crystal from Crystal Sews and Stuff. Their challenge is for Mother's Day. But apparently Mother's Day is celebrated in the UK during the month of March. So they extended the time period for their challenge from March the 1st till May the 11th. So it's overlapping with our challenge. And the question was, can you make one maxi and enter it in both challenges? And the answer from us is absolutely. Knock yourself out. As a matter of fact, if there are more challenges going on and you want to enter your maxi in those, by all means, enter it in as many challenges as will allow. We welcome that. And T, in her video explaining their challenge, also said the same thing. So I'm going to link all kinds of information down below, including T's video talking about that, Carmen's channel and Carmen's Instagram account and Sharon's Instagram account, and also her YouTube channel, and then my Instagram. All of the information will be in the description box below. So check that out if you have any questions. And if there are any questions that you have that aren't answered in that information, leave me a comment and ask me there, and I will be happy to find an answer the best way I can. Okay, that's it, I think. And just to reiterate, yes, our giveaway is international, and yes, by all means, enter your maxi in as many challenges as you like. That's it for now for me, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.